3,
Keyboard
2,
hidden.
1.
XOS launcher. Double tap to activate. Double
Hello,
tap and hold to
guys.
long press. Actions available. Use swipe up then right to view.
Welcome back to another series. This is the second part of the series of
20 seconds. Windows. Home. Apps. Double tap. Rope. Roblox. YouTube. Roblox. YouTube. Roblox. Row 7. Play Store. TikTok. Play. Roblox. Sausage Man. Crazy.
Talkback.
YouTube.
Of Talkback.
Column 1.
You want to see
YouTube. YouTube.
research of Talkback? How to enable
YouTube.
it?
Home. Select. Mark Aaron Blanco. Navigate.
Subscribe to the
New channel
channel.
at unlabeled.
Subscribe to the channel. Turn
Unlabeled. Button.
Turn
Unlabeled.
on
Mark Aaron.
notifications
Unlabeled.
on,
7
and
minutes. Unlabeled.
you see all of my channel upload.
Video. Shorts.
Channel
Thomas-
uploads.
Cars on the May 28th.
Okay,
Create.
guys.
But home.
How to enable Talkback? I enable it in
XO. Double tap to
In here.
activate. Settings.
In settings.
Column 3.
you see
Double
here
tap to activate.
settings. Press that.
Setting. Search settings.
Press search settings.
Double tap and hold to long press. Back.
Search
Keyboard
settings.
hidden.
Press
Talkback.
search
Search settings.
search
Talkback.
Talkback. Press Talkback
Showing
here.
English.
Not double tap it. Double
Talkback. Accessibility.
Talkback. Press
Volume
Talkback.
key shortcut. High translate.
High
Home
trans.
store.
You want
Talkback.
press-
On speak items on screen. 8 of 32.
Press
Double.
press
When
that.
Talkback is on, it provides
Explain
spoken
this.
feedback so that you can use your device without looking at. Expanded. May exclusive 70% off voucher Cami Paris saw first checkout Mo saw Shopee Live. Use service.
Okay,
On.
guys.
Switch. Window Talkback.
This
Use service. On.
is
Switch.
use service.
Stop Talkback.
You want to stop Talk?
Stop. Button.
This is how to stop Talkback and on Talkback.
Talkback off.
You want on Talkback? This press there. Press the use service and then start Talkback. Start Talkback. Press here. Start Talkback. There. And then how to enable Talkback? Not enable. Enable. Press on. Press here. To see research. Press there.
Record and
No. Send. guys.
Christoph, hello, I'm recording right now.
And then spam. Press back. Press. You want to enable Talkback? I will open Talkback your. Oh yeah. You want to hear this in my classmate.
Mark, nasend ko kay kay Ma'am Nel yung channel mo mismo.
You want to see?
Pinindot ko yung share button tapos sinare ko yung channel mo. Bahala ka, Mark. Seryoso ako, Mark, oh.
Sabi ko dito, kill me. kill me. Then let's press record, press send, press back again, press search me in YouTube and in Messenger. My name is Mark Aaron Blanco in Messenger. C, of course, not let's see. C. Let's see. Press back, press here.
Kakain pa kayo? And then, Nanay, hello.
Tap. And then press like here and press.
Pahala ka dyan, nare-record na ako dito.
Like. And then don't call this Christoph Clyde Ramos. Don't call that. Don't report him either. Don't block him. Gawin nyo sa Siblings PH TV. Ganito, spam nyo yung comments yun like this. Andito na ako sa Messenger. Sabi nyo, eto. So,
Pahiram ko yan sa'yo, tatapal ko sa mukha mo yan na maputi.
Support Simply
Hindi ko yung mga ganyan. Matagal nga pa ako at kamay. Maganyan ko yan.
Links PH TV and then